Super Easy Drawings.
Hello everyone and welcome to the Super Easy Drawings channel. Today we are going to draw a stand mixer and a cute cake. Let's start drawing. To start, I'm going to draw a stand mixer. You can mix all the ingredients to make a dough for cakes when you want to bake something very tasty and delicious. Now let's draw a 3-layer cake on the right side. I start from the bottom. 1, 2, 3. I decorate with hearts. Cute! And drawing a candle on top. Great! Now I'm going to use this black marker to make this beautiful drawing more visible. Let's start coloring. I colored the mixer and the cake with the colors of the rainbow. Red. Then I use orange, yellow, then light green, light blue, purple, and pink. Red. Then I use orange, yellow, then light green, light blue, purple, and pink. Fuchsia, orange. I love it! If you like this video, please like this video and subscribe to the channel. See you in the next video.